Okay, so now we've imported the customer details. So we're now going to do the customer information interface. It's quite straightforward. So you're going to select customer details, create, form wizard. Now if you look at what's needed, name of customer, address, telephone number, email address. So ID, first name, surname, house number, street, town, postcode, telephone number. We don't want credit card type, we don't want credit card details or expiry date, but we do want email address. Make sure you're taking it from the table customer details. So whenever you want to look at data or add new data, you want to always take it from the table that has all the data. But if you just want to add or check or get results, so if you want output of data, that's the queries. You want to input data, that's the tables. So next, going to call this customer information interface. Okay, and finish. And basically that's done. So here's the first, second, third. You would add all the buttons that you can add up here and you can test it. So I could say Mr. Burrows, oops, okay, 20 something, 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 something. Okay, and if I just do this, okay, and then I could close this, open up customer details, and you can see that's been entered and the card details haven't, which they shouldn't be at this stage. One thing you're going to notice here is that email address, postcode, they haven't been formatted right, they're not right. So you might want to, you could do this for any table, go into something like email address, and let's go into input mask, which we've used before. Oh no, is it format that we've used before? No, it's input mask, isn't it? Okay, go into input mask, which we used before. We might want to have an email input mask here. If you're going to do this, make sure you write it on or postcode or something. There's an email input mask, I'm pretty sure, but make sure you write it down or make sure you record it in your report to show you put in an input mask for this. I'm going to cancel because I thought there was an input mask for that. I can't see it. But yeah, that would be good to do. Is there a validation rule we can use? Let's just have a look. No, nothing there. Okay. But yeah, okay, so that's we've now done this. So we can highlight that. That's done. And so if we look down, okay, there must be a separate section for each customer to identify when a purchase of a car, sale of a car, and part of exchange of a car. So what we're going to have to do is going to have to join both these tables together. That's quite tough. It's the most difficult part in this. I'm going to do that in the next video.